That number call means full problem call, not call that number.
Okay, sir.
My mother answer call means where money going, you are doing, all ask. You call and tell means money pay, not paid bill means my mother will come call me, scold, what money do, why not bill payments. Please not
Sir.
call.
Okay, so please tell me the number, sir.
No, you call my mummy, tell, complaint, give. No, I'll, first salary get means pay.
Thank you, sir.
Why no
Small
number,
request, sir.
that number not take. Your name what?
Sir?
Your name what?
Chandra, sir.
Chandra.
Sir, small request, sir.
Yes, Chandra.
Please kindly make the payment on or before due date, that is 14th of every month.
Okay.
To avoid late payment charges and enjoy uninterrupted service, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
But
sir.
see, Chandra, listen.
Sir?
Not call that number, Chandra. I complain you. Not call, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're not calling or calling that number.
Which number, sir?
One more number there.
Please tell me that number, sir.
That bill. Sorry.
Please tell me that one more
No.
number.
You mummy call and complain you tell.
No, sir. I will not call that number. Please
Then
tell me,
if
sir.
you not call, why number take then?
Sir?
If you not call means number why take?
If Airtel any offers well means I will call you and I will inform you, sir.
I know all. Oh, you full intelligent. You offer call come means telling, but mummy call and tell your son bill not paid.
No, sir. I will not.
I know. Please not tell.
Okay, sir.
I tell means mummy connection cancel to means you money not get then.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Please not call, okay? What
Okay,
happen, if you call means, mummy tell means number cancel do, only one number only prepaid take tell then.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will not have pay postpaid, then bill not pay in future. So this so not complaint please.
Okay, sir.
You my mummy complaint means your office come and complaint you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for using Airtel. Have a pleasant day, Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you. Bye. But please, Chandra, you tell or not tell mummy?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you tell. Hello?
Sir, okay, sir. I will not call to that number, sir.
Which number?
Thank you. Sir?
Which number you not call?
This is 970-100-1533.
This my number only. This number call, no problem. I only. Any
Okay,
time call.
Okay, sir. Which number I have not to call, sir?
You full intelligent there. Which number not call means I will tell that number, you think. I'll
No,
not
sir.
tell. Oh, Chandra, you full intelligent. Amma, your full plans of me. Oh.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for using Airtel. Have a pleasant day, Mr. Mohammed.
You will call or not call mummy number?
Sir, I will not call, sir.
Sure, which number?
Sir, that number is not there with me, sir.
Not there, na? Good. But
Thank
please
you,
don't call, huh?
Okay,
Your number there, if call means I'll call you and ask.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, your number there, any?
My number, sir?
Yeah, your number give. My friend right number, talk to him.
Sir, my number is not there, sir.
You tell.
Thank you, sir.
You tell your name.
Sir,
Ah.
I will not call to that number. Sir, for using Airtel. Have a pleasant day, Mr. Mohammed.
Ah.